Today we're showing you a 2005 John Deere 5225 four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Unit has just under 1,500 hours on it. It's a very nice clean tractor. We traded this tractor in from an elderly gentleman in New Jersey. We've done several deals with this fellow, and he's always got clean stuff. He keeps his stuff inside, takes very good care of his equipment. Tractor paint is really good on the machine, as you can see, and again, this is the 5225, so this is the premium grade tractor in its time period. The engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations, so there are none of the Tier 4 emissions on this tractor. Has the full factory cab with work lights front and back. Has the R4 industrial tires on it. Does have the mid-loader valve. We do currently have a 542 used loader that will fit the tractor. Check our current listing when you're watching this video to see if that loader is still available, but as of today, which is November 9th, 2021, we do have a loader available. It does have one set of rear wheel weights, again R4 tires. Paint of the tractor is excellent, has very few cosmetic flaws. It's got a couple very minor scuffs in the fender back here, but again, very minor for the age of the tractor. 540 PTO, has a telescopic 3-point arms, stabilizer bars on both sides, dual remotes back here, which is kind of uncommon for a smaller horsepower tractor like this. Buttons back here to raise and lower your 3-point arm. Looks like you got a hairline crack there in the fender as well. And again, the one set of wheel weights. It's a very clean tractor, and again, prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. Has the block heater here, also has engine glow plugs, a couple minor chips here in the fender, but again, very minor. Inside the cab, it's got the full suspension seat here for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Has the left-hand power reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching. The cab has the complete flat deck here, so some of the newer E-models, they've got that hump in the center here. This deck is completely flat on the floor, so the cab is just a little bit nicer, a little bit roomier. Over here to the right, you have your 2 sticks for your transmission, 3 ranges back here, 4 synchronized gears here, so it gives you a total of 12 speeds. Again, the loader control, and again, we do have a used loader available that we can add to the tractor. Currently, now that could change, but currently that is the situation. 2 levers here for your rear remotes, your electronic controller for your 3-point, that's electric over hydraulic. That is the Deluxe feature in these tractors at this time period. It was an option on this machine. Hand throttle here within easy reach. Up top you've got radio, climate controls, rear view mirror and sun visor. PTO lever here to the left. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US and can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We have approximately 130 to 150 used tractors on our yard. You can check our website at masttractor.com for our current inventory. If you have questions, please contact.